Well, for those that haven't noticed, I'm getting near that 2,500 mark on subscribers, and I just wanted to do a contest to get back to those that have followed me. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video. Now, those that are familiar, I'm attending Camaro Fest here coming up. I want to go ahead and throw out some news. It's going to be in Bowling Green, Kentucky, I think July 13th and 14th. You can come by and see my car in the Z01 add-ons booth. Thank you guys for letting me share your tent or booth with you. And also, I just wanted to bring in a mod for the house and cleaning the car that I bought here recently. It was so good that I did want to share it with you guys. This is the Sunjo 2030. I found this on Amazon, and actually I had shopped around Home Depot, Lowe's, and Harbor Freight for a power washer, since my old Harbor Freight $40 would die after 2 or 3 years I'll add. But so I started searching, you know, for the best electric one I could find for the buck, bang for the buck, if you will. And this is what I came up with. I found this on Amazon. It had 800 some odd reviews and like a 4.5 stars. All the reviews seem really good. It's got the spool to reel it in. It's got a gun with a metal stick. This was an issue with the Harbor Freight one I had, that the gun itself broke, and then the mechanism in the motor broke after that. It's got a nice little holder for it, by the way. It's got a universal spout here to put in, on-off switch, power setting, very important if you're using it for detailing. It's also got a soap dispenser, works really good for cleaning driveways and fence, house, etc. And different nozzles with different spray widths, strengths, and a soap nozzle. So I think it was $160 or something on Amazon. 1.76 gallons per minute, 14.5 amps, and it's 2030 psi. Really good buy there, those that are needing one. Now for the contest information, I reached out to Petrolbox, or my Petrolbox, if you are familiar with my monthly Petrolbox unboxings, and just to increase awareness about their product and my channel, they've agreed to give away a free premium, I guess it's large Petrolbox, to the contest winner. And also, I've reached out to another company that supplied the carbon fiber key fobs, or the red key fobs. They have a real carbon fiber one. I'm going to be doing a video about that soon as well, and a contest for the carbon fiber key fob I review in the video. So how do you win these two items, the premium Petrolbox or the carbon fiber, key fob? I'm going to announce it at the unboxing on that video how you can do it. You simply share the video, hit the like button, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and share it out to Twitter. If you want to do an Instagram screenshot or Facebook, be sure you use hashtag OnlineCarShow in the share, and I'll be able to monitor it, so forth. I'm going to pick a winner based off those people that share the video, and I'll contact them through their Twitter, Facebook or Instagram account, let them know they won the contest, and I'll put it in the comment section of the video after it's been selected. So be sure to check out those videos coming up. Again, that's my next Petrolbox unboxing, and the video I have coming up for a carbon fiber key fob for the Camaro. There's going to be a contest attached to both of those videos, and again, this is an effort for product awareness for them, and also to get me to that 2,500 mark. I'm planning to do a contest again at the 5,000 mark, so be sure to stay tuned to the channel and so forth, and I'll have some exciting contests for that. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel, viewing the videos. I can't stress that enough, and I appreciate y'all. This, I hope, is a way for me to get back to y'all for viewing my videos and being a part of my channel community. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great week.